up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to day number 2 of prepping for Amazon Prime Day, which is October 11th and 12th. Today I have a second day of a roundup of all the Amazon things and goodies that I have found that I cannot wait to share with you guys. Lots of things for my vacation. I'm going to Portugal. I have lots of dresses, 2-piece sets. I've got some travel stuff that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm also going to be popping in real quick with an unboxing of a UA Louis Vuitton bag that I'm going to be taking on my trip to Portugal as well, which has been sponsored by WishBiz. I will be sure to give you all of their information in the information box below. If you guys are new here, I am Meredith. Welcome to my channel. I am a mid-sized and curvy content creator where I create lots of hauls and try-ons and some lifestyle stuff to essentially bridge the gap between straight sizes and plus sizes. I am a size 8/10. I find it really challenging to find clothes that fit my curves. I don't see myself still to this day represented. I am probably the only size 8/10 curvy influencer that I know. I also am a signed model, and I know that brands have a really hard time trying to find somebody who is also a size 8. I happen to be one of the very, very, very few and the only one that I know of. So the reason why I create this content is to help inspire women, to help build their self-confidence, to help them feel seen and feel represented, and to also help them dress their curvy bodies. So without further ado, we are on to day 2 of Amazon Prime preparation. Let me quickly give you guys my measurements for reference. I am 5'7". I've got a 36-inch bust. I wear a 34D cup bra. I've got a 29-inch waist and a 44-inch hip. I wear a medium on the top and usually a medium on the bottom. I wear a size 8/10 pant, sometimes also a 6 depending on if there's a lot of stretch. Super excited for day 2 of Amazon preparation for Amazon Prime Day. Prime Day again is October 11th and 12th. I'm going to share with you lots of things that I found today that I'm going to be taking on my trips to Portugal. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. I have found so many good things on Amazon, you guys, and they just keep on coming. This is a 2-piece set. It is a knit 2-piece set. So essentially, it's kind of see-through because it's a sweater material. So I will be sure to wear bike shorts underneath. I'm in a size medium. There is no stretch. So it is a tad bit big on my upper body, fits perfectly in my lower body. And so sometimes I have a little bit of a hard time finding things that match because I'm a little bit smaller in my top and a little bit bigger in my bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this bottom hem and just sort of tuck it underneath my bra, and that way my bra won't be seen and I'll feel a little bit more comfortable. I'm obsessed with this color. It also comes in some other colors, but I felt like this was most me. It's sort of like a bright orange color. It might be reading a little bit red in the camera, but it is definitely like more of an orangey, corally color than a red. I am really happy with the way that everything fits. The bottom is super flattering on my booty, and the waistband does have a little bit of stretch. It doesn't have a closure, so I had to sort of like shimmy it up over my hips, and it does fit in my waist, which is great. But then I also love this detail, right? So this detail is attached to the inside, and all you do is you sort of stick it out and you tie it in the back. I probably wouldn't like the skirt as much if it did not have this little detail. I think it's fantastic. I love the length that it is mid-calf on me, and there is a slit back here, which makes things really easy and comfortable to walk in. Oh, and real quick, if you guys missed yesterday's video, these sandals are also from Amazon. They are part of the drop. Super, super, super cute gold metallic tie-up sandals. They're very comfortable. I think that I'm going to take these on my trip to Portugal because they go with everything. Let's go ahead and try on the next one. I'm remembering ordering this dress before, but I made a mistake. So I ordered this in a size large, thinking that I would get more length, but it would still fit around my upper body. Unfortunately, that was a huge mistake because I definitely belong in a size medium. I don't have enough time, obviously, to send this back and get a medium for my trip, but I really wanted it for, you know, walking around during the day or maybe even popping on for dinner at night. It's just too big through my bust and through my upper body. I remember the medium fitting really well, but it being a little short, which is why I'm remembering, oh, maybe I should order the large because the length is great. I really do love the print. I love the color. I also love the fact that you could, if it fit properly, wear it off your shoulders. It's obviously gonna fall down on me if I don't keep it over my shoulders. But overall, love the dress. I think it's super cute. I think it's fun and flirty. I think it's great for traveling. But unfortunately, it's gonna have to go back to Amazon again. I don't even even remember why I sent the first one back. I should have just kept it in the first place. This next little segment is sponsored by a brand called WishBiz. They are a luxury dupe website, and they sent me a Louis Vuitton bag, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and open it up with you guys. This bag is going to be coming with me on my travels to Portugal. Let's go ahead and see what it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is called the Pochette Bag. It is one of my favorite bags that maybe has ever existed. It is a crossbody bag, which is amazing, but the thing that I really love about this is that it's so versatile. The strap is green. They do also have it in other colors. I believe it also comes in pink. It also comes with this cute little change purse that I attach to the strap. And when I mean versatile, I mean super versatile. So you guys can take this green strap off and just use the gold one, or vice versa. You can take the gold off and not have it ever be seen again. But on top of it, you guys, they have another purse or wallet or whatever you want to use it as on the inside. Okay, so then what you can also do is you can also take this gold chain off and attach it to the smaller bag, so that way you have two working bags. Let me just go ahead and show you quickly what that might look like. There's two whole purses in one. Again, this is called the Pochette. It is amazing. I could use this little purse to go out at night. I could use this purse during the day. I mean, it's just incredible, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. I will be sure to share all of WishBiz's information in the information box below. Go ahead, check out their Instagram, check out their website. They've got lots and lots and lots of amazing stuff. Can we talk about this bag, you guys? How cute! Oh, I'm so excited to have partnered up with WishBiz. WishBiz, thank you guys so much for sending me along this gorgeous bag. I can't wait to use it. Amazon's two-piece athleisure and workout sets are undefeated. I don't wear a lot of black, as you guys know, but I felt like I really needed to have a black set. I had envisioned creating a very specific outfit with this two-piece set. So first, I wanted to have the black biker shorts and a bralette, black bralette. I wanted to then throw on an oversized white button down, and then I wanted to throw on a blazer on top of it, maybe with a black baseball hat, and I'll probably end up wearing some New Balance or even my Jordan 1s, and I just think that that is a super chic, perfect outfit to travel in. So I'm definitely going to be bringing this along with me to Portugal. So I am in a medium top and a medium bottom. It fits so well. The length of these shorts are perfect. They could not fit me any better. They fit great around the waist. I also feel like because of the material that they are using, it gives me a lot of sort of hold, I guess. I think that it's like pretty tight, which I really like, so it gives me a little bit of lift. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next I wanted to show you two little sort of accessory pieces. I just got this iPhone case in neon because neon, of course, is my favorite color. And once I put it on my phone, I was like, oh, what is this bubbling weird thing on the back? And then I realized that it's actually a plastic piece that I'm just gonna go ahead and take off. Oh, that's so satisfying. I love that it is square on all the corners. And I have been known to order the wrong size phone case, but this actually fits really well. It's perfect, it's the perfect size. It is silicone, so it is easy to take on and off. You just sort of pop it out. And I think that I'm going to take my gold case off and use this one from now on because this is stunning. On the sides, it's kind of like a clear / white color. I can't really pinpoint it. It's not totally translucent, but it does have a little bit of a white cast to it. There you go. Another Amazon find, an amazing neon phone case. Next up, I wanted to show you another travel hack that I found on Amazon. I don't want to take full-sized products with me, so I ordered this mini travel container pack. They are silicone, which I really like, so they are squishy. I also really happen to love the color. So there's a clear one, a white one, and then there's also this sort of gray-black color right here. So I plan on putting my moisturizer in there, maybe some sunscreen in another. You guys could use it for shampoo or soap, whatever you guys want. There's also a clear spray bottle. Not sure what I would use that for yet. Haven't really made up my mind. And then there's also 3 other containers. So lots of containers. You guys can fill these up, put them in your travel packs to take up much less space. There's also this really cute mini, oh my gosh, you guys, this is adorable. This is like a mini, I don't know, maybe eye cream or lip gloss, something that you could put in there. They also send you some really amazing tools so you guys can get the products in there, like this little funnel. So you can put the funnel on the top, you put your product in there, and that way it gets into the bottle and it doesn't get all over the bottle. Oh God, I just love this. This is another mini jar here in yellow, and then another spray bottle here in clear. Actually, this looks like maybe you could put like body lotion, and also a cleaner, which is super important. So when you're back from your travels, you can just go ahead and clean the insides and have something that actually fits into the small bottles. Love that hack. These are definitely going to be very useful. This outfit makes me laugh a little bit only because it's giving me straight up like auntie vibes, but I'm here for it. Like, I'm so here for it. I looked at this set on Amazon and from afar it looked really amazing in pictures, but then when you get up close I was like, well, I don't totally love the coloring and the pattern, but I feel like from afar it's kind of a vibe. I'm in a medium top and a medium bottom. I will say though that the bottoms are a little bit short on me. I think I would like them a little bit longer, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So they do fit great around my waist. They do have an elastic waistband and they fit around the booty really well. So I really, really like the way that the bottoms fit. And I love the way that the top is longer. It's kind of like a tunic. I just really overall like this. This is definitely coming on my trip. It's a very thin, sort of silky, which is probably polyester material. There is no stretch. There's no stretch in the pants either, I don't think. Yeah, no stretch. We'll see how the pictures come out. I think the pictures that I'm going to be shooting out there, it's going to look amazing. Okay, if this were to be in a video of what I ordered versus what I got, this would be at the front of that video. This is supposed to be a really cute beach cover-up. However, the model wearing it is really tiny, really short, and very small. I am the opposite of that. I'm 5'7" and I'm a size 8/10, and this nearly covers anything. This is like an oversized shirt. I do, however, really like the coloring of it. I really like the style of it, but I would never be able to wear this as a beach cover-up. I mean, of course, like, when you wear a beach cover-up, you're just sort of going to the pool or going to the beach and then you take it off, but like, I couldn't like go to a restaurant after, or like go into town after, or, you know, go grab breakfast on the way to the beach or the pool because my ass is all the way out. Well, it was a good try. This only comes in one size, unfortunately, and I knew that I was taking a huge risk, but I was like, I'm obsessed with it, so therefore I'm gonna try to make it work. But sadly, it does not. This is how desperate I am to try to make this work. I'm like trying to not pull the strings apart, but just like get it to sort of like get longer, if that's a thing. And then also I was like, oh, maybe I'll just do this, and then if I do that, it will be longer in the butt. And it is, but I still don't know if it works. We have officially made it to the last and final piece of my 2-day preparation for Amazon Prime Day, which is October 11th and 12th. And I can't tell if I hate this or if I love it. I ordered this in a size medium, and I was looking at the tag. This is apparently a Shein outfit, and the tag says medium, but it also says a US 6. And I was like, okay, well, this is clearly not going to work, especially if it has shorts. Well, the shorts actually fit me. It has this sort of flutter leg, which is really sort of quite interesting if you ask me, but you can't really tell. Very loose fitting around the booty, which is like great because it's so comfortable. It does have an elastic waistband, which is great. You can wear them high-waisted. They are not too short. I mean, the shorts are perfect on me. Now the top, on the other hand, is a little bit interesting. I probably could have used a real medium, or probably in this case a large top, because the sleeves are sort of cutting off my circ. It does have an elastic, but it is so tight that it doesn't really have any stretch to it. I do really like the details of being able to ruche these up and then tie it in a little bow. Let me just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like all the way down. So that's what the sleeve looks like. So you probably could even just tie it like that down here. I think I read somewhere that one of the girls who had left a review just sort of snipped off the sleeves. I might do that because I don't know if I love or hate the sleeves. It does have a little bit of a sweetheart neckline, and it does also have the ruching on the top as well. So again, you guys can adjust this according to how high you want it. I mean, I could even do that and not wear a bra with it, which would be great. There is no stretch. There is some smocking in the back here, which is stretchy, which is how I actually got it over my head and onto my body. But I don't know. What do you guys think about this one? Do you think that I should keep it or return it? Or do you think that I should just go ahead and cut off the sleeves? Let me just actually see what that looks like real quick. So that's what it would look like without a sleeve. I am definitely here for the lemon print. I had initially ordered this for my trip to the Cayman Islands, which got canceled because of Hurricane Ian. I don't know if I'm gonna bring this to Portugal because it seems a little bit more tropical than that, but anyways, let me know what you guys think. Okay, ladies, so that wraps up my 2-day preparation for Amazon Prime Day, which again is October 11th and 12th. I hope that you found some amazing things that you liked, and maybe I've inspired you to try some things that you normally wouldn't have tried otherwise. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do drop them in the comment section below. I will be sure to link everything. I will also include WishBiz's information and website in the information box as well. And please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notification for every time I upload a new video, and hit that super thanks to help provide for me and my YouTube channel. Anyways, I will see you guys sometime later this week. Bye.